Ingredients for chicken jalfrezi. So you will need 500 grams of chicken breast, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 100 ml of cooking cream, 250 grams of whole peel canned tomato, 40 ml of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 3 onions, 35 grams of cashew nuts, 2 green chilies which is optional, fresh coriander, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper. In this lesson, we will see step by step how to make the chicken jalfrezi. First, dice the chicken, same as we did for reshmi kebab. The salt, pepper, ginger and garlic paste and let it marinate. So here friends, I'm using chicken breast. You can however try it with chicken thighs, prawn, lamb, fish or paneer, anything of your choice. In the meantime, while our chicken is marinating, we will cut the onions in half, then cut finely. Cut the green chilies also in half. If you don't like hot spicy food, this is optional. Set it aside. Blend together the whole peeled tomato. You may use tomato puree, but I personally like the whole peeled tomato, which I then blend. So blend together the tomato and cashew nuts and you can set it aside. We now start with the cooking. In a wok, add 40 ml olive oil and the marinated chicken. Stir it for 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat. Then on very low heat, cover and cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. After that, you will now see the chicken juice or chicken broth that came out. You may now increase the heat back to medium and allow the chicken to cook and the juice to evaporate for another 6 to 7 minutes. This step is what will give the tenderness of the chicken. Now you will put the chicken in a bowl and set it aside. In the same wok, I am adding another 40 ml of olive oil in which I will saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes covered on medium heat. When this is done, I can add my spices, which are turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, cardamom powder and kasuri methi. Just to remind you, it is the dry fenugreek leaves. Mix well, cover and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes on low heat. Now friends, to this mixture I am adding the pre-cooked chicken. Mix well. Then on medium to high heat add the tomato cashew nut paste and 30 ml of water. Give it a good mix. Cover and let it simmer again for 5 to 6 minutes. Simmering is an important step in Indian cuisine to allow the flavor of the spices to tenderize the meat. So friends, the final steps would be to add the cooking cream and the freshly chopped coriander. All this on medium heat. Here I am using cooking cream. Another option would be to use coconut milk. And allow to simmer for another 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. And you're done. I really hope you're enjoying the class with me. I'll see you in the next lesson for an accompanying spicy veggie rice.